welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to upgrade the memory in HP ProBook 440 G11. This is the unit. This is the screwdriver I am going to use to upgrade RAM, and this is a metal splinter to open the back cover. HP ProBook 440 G11 Ultra 7 model memory upgrade. Here you can see the model number HP ProBook 440 G11. Total 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to upgrade memory. Open slowly from back side. This is a metallic splinter we are using to open the unit. Just lift very slowly. This is the internal design. 2 memory slot and 1 M.2 NVMe slot. So this model is battery is not charged, so we are not removing the battery plug. Just lifting the silver cover. So 2 memory slot, 1, 2. Let's see what is the speed of this memory. DDR5-5600B comes with 8 GB. So only 1 M.2 NVMe slot, 2280. This is the battery model number RX03XL. So this is a full internal design. 1 M.2 slot and 2 memory slot. Please like my video and subscribe. I'm going to upgrade 1 DIMM 16 GB 5600B. So 116 GB we are upgrading. Slowly fix the back cover. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to check the BIOS. This one is a Ultra 7 processor. Fingerprint, power button, backlight keyboard. So 14-inch laptop, Ultra 7. HP ProBook 440 G11 comes with a 512 GB SSD. So Type C power adapter, 65 watts. Checking the BIOS now. F10 for BIOS. So we done hardware changes, so it will take time to boot. Yeah, I can see here 16 GB. You can see here 16 GB.